Banking and Asset Management Group Investec has introduced a new leave policy as well as a new dress code for its South African employees. The latest flexible system will enable employees to choose when and how they take leave, ensuring they deliver on key performance indicators. CGTN's Julie Shire has the details.
Financial institutions are known for strict employee guidelines, but global asset manager Investec is changing the norm. It's the first South African company to introduce a flexible leave system.
We don't want to pay people for their time only. We want to pay them for their performance. We want to reward performance, but we want people to use their time to deliver in terms of the absolutely exponential requirements that we have inside the environment. So people can take leave, not to a maximum amount of days, to whatever time they need.
The bank has also implemented a new dress code, which doesn't always require suits or formal wear.
If your day entails a client that requires you to don a suit and tie, that's exactly what you'll be wearing. If your day is in front of regulators and that means a certain dress code, so consider what your day is, act like an adult, think about what that means for you and how you need to be and show up in that way.
Investec prides itself on having a dynamic culture and strong sense of trust with its employees. It's now aligning itself with international workplace trends through a flexible leave policy and more relaxed dress code.
I've seen quite a few employers sort of look at going in that direction because of women and their sort of parental responsibilities, and it was about making sure that they didn't lose women. But it's now gone a lot beyond that, and flexible working is generally applied across the board.
But there are challenges. Job flexibility could mean never logging off, and not everyone may be suited to it.
I have had clients that have rolled this out a few years ago, and some unfortunately did have issues with performance where people just weren't disciplined enough to put in the hours at home, and they just worked better in a team where there was sort of a team motivating them to work. So it does vary.
Investec is hoping a more flexible work ethic will create a healthy work-life balance for its employees, boost productivity and further enhance innovation. Julie Shire, CGTN, Johannesburg, South Africa.